Hello friends, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cactus on Cricut Design Space. So first what you're going to go is go into your Cricut Design Space, then you're going to click on projects and search cactus. So I'm going down and I like this one, so I'm going to do the 3D barrel cactus. Click on that. I'm going to customize the size because I want it smaller. And so it's all grouped up like this. So I'm just going to go in and I'm going to make it smaller, the entire group. I'm just going to come out here, make it smaller like that. And then if you're unsure in the sizing, so what I like to do is I like to click make it. And then I'm going to click on mat right here. Continue, and then I'm going to go over here to the left, and for my mat I think actually I'm going to cut a bunch of them, so maybe I'll make 3. And then for my mat I'm going to change it to letterhead because my cardstocks are letterhead. Then I'm going to see the sizing based on the letterhead, and you have to go in and click letterhead for every single page that you're going to be cutting out. And I like this too because look, it shows you the different colors for each page that you have to put in. So it's pretty awesome. Light green, dark green, and that one looks good. Let's change that to letterhead. There you go. And then we're going to go down. Okay, I'm going to apply. I'm going to make 5 actually. So then you once you change the project copies, you're going to have to basically change all of it to letterhead if you have letterhead thing. Then I'm going to click medium cut, and then I'm going to cut them. So let's click cut, and it's making it now. So once you have all your pages done, then the satisfying part is peeling it. I love peeling the paper off. So I peeled the yellow off already. It's really small. And now I'm doing the light green. And if you can see the cactus on the left right there, those green ones, I'm going to show you in the next video how I made those. And these are really easy. So if you don't have Design Space, if you didn't sign up for the membership, then you can pay these separately. It's about like $2 something for one project. But I paid for the monthly subscription because I do a lot of different crafting all the time. And this specific one that I'm doing is for my daughter's school project. She's making a desert type of theme project. And she asked me for some cactus, so we're just going to cut a bunch of them out. And then I'm just going to take these flowers off now. And so what you do is you fold these ones, because there's actually a line in the middle with the scoring knife that's already put in. So I'm going to fold all of them. Then you're going to see that there's the green, the light green, and the dark green. You're just going to glue it, apply it, glue it, and apply it. And do that 4 times to get 4 different angles of it, like that. And then you're just going to keep gluing it. And then once you're done, you're going to stick the flower on top, like that. And then put the little, I like to put 2 of the pink flowers and kind of crisscross them. So they're like, it gives it dimension. And then the, what do you call it? The yellow flower, and it's done. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.